Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ringkat lang bat kepertai borok kue ke jela Meghalaya hakalai tribunal pra arjar posan. Larake, International Day of Persons with Disabilities Lokapang Empower 3.0. Jaga belatan non, the State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities. Petana Social Welfare, ke Sorka Jela, haringkat ke jengat Trailang, bat ke State Resource Center on Disabilities Affairs. Hakadigasngi. Umintirang baka Jela Conrad ke sangma ublalong ukongsan. Ringkat wadavaisa jakatna social welfare ka sorka Jela ba polling do ublalong kumusumbur kongsan krapin kuburam Kynhun ilakai belami khaman yaga Jela bat khurta kama haka North East para sports meet arajar apusan kabalong danga kini khindia sni haka Jela Assam bat kisamru ikusnam chicken nong job haka jingko paper Uminirang ba habakaran kumukongsan ula Kular bawon samang pisa nagabentaban Pynshna ke studio Sri Kynhun jong ki samla ki bedanjing Duna Dkhotmet ling bagaski bekerpang jong mintirang ba
Forest film Strength Beyond Limitation by Pynshna. What I see is a beautifully woven story that invites us to see the world through a new and meaningful lens.
Came about with the idea of starting a comprehensive survey to determine the extent and impact of drug abuse in the state of Meghalaya. And today, after months of discussions and deliberation on this matter, we finally arrived at the moment where this MOU will be signed. And once this MOU is signed, we will start off with the process of conducting this survey, which will be a vital tool in our fight against drugs. A round of applause, please.
I have always maintained that when it comes to the definition of disabled, I'm always at a loss because I could see a lot of us with both eyes open. We have eyesight, but no vision. A lot of us can hear perfectly well, but we do not listen. A lot of us have both our hands intact, but those hands are yet to touch any lives. We have 2 feet that can walk, but they have not walked the walk of faith as yet. So therefore, the pertinent question is, who is differently able? We just saw the band of Friends Eastern Group. They have been performing at various programs, various platforms, and their music reminds me of somebody like Stevie Wonder. Born blind, he turns blind at the age of 2. And yet his music, his lyrics have opened the eyes of many people with perfect eyesight. When Moses was asked to go and tell the Pharaoh with one sentence, "Let my people go," he became nervous. He said, "I stutter, I stammer. How can I go and say those words to the Pharaoh?" But God told him, "Who said that you can't speak? Who said that you stammer? Who gave you your tongue?" That gave Moses the courage to go ahead and proclaim, "Let my people go." So on a day like today, I'm very happy to acknowledge the support of the entire team in the Department of Social Welfare. First and foremost, the support of our Honorable Chief Minister, who was kind enough to ensure that I continue to give my inputs and advice by appointing me as advisor to the department which he heads, the Department of Social Welfare. By name, Conrad means counselor. So it means that I'm an advisor to the counselor. It's an honor. And the entire team, the Office of the Commissioner of Persons with Disabilities, State Resource Center on Disability Affairs, the Composite Regional Center, all of these with the active role played by the Directorate in the leadership of Doreen. I'm sure that we will be able to connect better and achieve our proclaimed goals of ensuring that we bridge the gap between those we consider differently able and the rest of us. Friends, on an occasion like today, where we also have avenues to allow the differently able to showcase their talents in the arts, in filmmaking, and to enhance their livelihood potential, I must state that the state of Meghalaya has done a tremendous job in the Department of Social Welfare. But as the saying goes, the biggest room in the world is the room for self-improvement.
We are here to be with you, to support you and many friends who have different challenges. But as I said, who look at these challenges as opportunities and don't give up because of those challenges. But you look at that and you fight. And that spirit is something that will motivate many who are sitting out here. So I want to tell you that through my Chief Minister's special grant, I will put up that studio for you. I will fund that studio for you. I know you want to put it up at your house, so we will put it up at the house. I just need what equipments you want to buy. You give me the list and we will buy those equipments, but only under one condition. And the condition is you have to call Paul and me for the first recording of the song, where Paul and I will play the guitar and the keyboard and we will record the first song together. Friends, there were so many other talented movie makers that we saw. And it's amazing how we as a society and government sometimes have not been able to provide that platform that is required. And it's not that we have to do big things. It's the small things we do that really creates the difference. I hope that through programs like Prime, where we support entrepreneurs, including entrepreneurs with special abilities, through programs like the CM's Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program, where bands like the Eastern Brook Band are supported, through programs like the Hello Meghalaya platform, OTT platform, where many of the filmmakers are being supported. I hope that more and more inclusive programs like these will be there in the future, and I promise you as a government that we will do our best to ensure that equity is there, to ensure that all will get the opportunity, irrespective of what conditions they are in. But the desire, the talent, and if they have the will and the determination to move forward, our government will ensure that we support each and every one of you. I must take this opportunity at this moment to congratulate and to thank all the officials. This would not be possible without all of you. As rightly mentioned by so many who spoke before me, it's not about the programs, the schemes, the different policies that we have. It is about the heart that you need to make those programs and policies truly meaningful. And I must say and conclude by saying that I've seen the kind of commitment, the heart, the passion with which you work is truly the driving force that is taking this department forward. So I congratulate the director, the commissioner, all the other officials, and especially the officials working at the grassroots level. Please continue to do the good work that you do. I'll conclude by just reminding all of you that I always tell each and every one that at the end of the day, there must be something that drives you. For me, as I said, one line that I tell myself every morning when I get up is that I will today ensure that I will make a positive difference in a person's life. And this one motivation and one line drives me to do things that I never thought I could do. I see this drive in Kennedy. I see this drive in Sheng Trang, and all the others who are here today receiving the awards, and all those who have participated. I wish you all the very best, and I wish you success in all your future endeavors. May God bless each and every one of you.
With this, the person in charge of the adoption of the K-Max of the dogs to kindly he is not here, he is in Delhi, so his father has come on his behalf to take the award. This is for information, and it's very heartening to hear that these films, the way Forest Film non-limitation, about friendship, and meaningfulness. Social security, housing schemes and employment, strengthening the disability movement in Meghalaya. I request a family member or a colleague of Ms. Marisha Watkar to kindly take the award on her behalf, if there are any. Presenting Ms. Marisha Watkar. I request Shampiyat Kynhun. He is the youngest woman.